Hello dear viewers, this is ERi-TV English news broadcast for this hour. I'm Basabat Taghla reporting live from the headquarters in Asmara, and these are the major headlines for today. President Isaias visited production facilities and research centers in Italy. The 34th anniversary commendation of Fenkel operation. At least 112 dead in Chile as forest fires continue to ravage the country. And catastrophic flooding to hit California as bad weather continues. On your domestic reports, President Isaias and his delegation that is on working visit to Italy visited production facilities and research center in various parts of Italy on 4 and 5 February. During the visit to the cities of Perugia and Norcia in the Umbria province, the delegation explored Gruppo Grifo Agroalimentare, a company specializing in dairy products, and L'Artigiano dei Salumi Salvatori, renowned for its pork meat processing. The tour highlighted Italy's advanced agro-industrial capabilities and provided insights into sustainable food production practices. Further enriching their visit, President Isaias and his delegation toured the Umbria Agro-Food Technology Park. This institution is at the forefront of enhancing agricultural output through technological innovation with a focus on biodiversity conservation, agro-food systems, agrochemistry, and plant tissue culture. The delegation received comprehensive briefings on the park's significant contributions to agriculture and its forward-looking initiatives. Emphasizing the importance of collaboration, President Isaias advocated for in-depth consultations between the institution's experts and their Eritrean counterparts to foster greater understanding and cooperation. In addition to these visits, the delegation took an interest in the ceramics industry, observing the sophisticated technology in use at a local factory. On February 4th, the delegation also visited the Basilica in Assisi, a city that attracts millions of tourists annually, underscoring the cultural and historical dimensions of their visit to Italy. On your last local report, the 34th anniversary of the Fenkel operation, set to take place from February 9th to 11th in Massawa, is poised for commencement under the theme Fenkel Tunes of Liberation. This was confirmed by Ms. Zainab Umar, the chairperson of the Holidays Coordination Committee in the Northern Red Sea region. Ms. Zainab elaborated that the three-day event will be marked by a diverse array of activities, including sports competitions, general knowledge competitions, educational seminars, and exhibitions showcasing photographs and sculptures. Additionally, the event will facilitate community gatherings that promise to enrich the commemorative experience. Highlighting the event's multifaceted nature, Ms. Zainab disclosed plans for guided tours to historical landmarks, insightful seminars, and a half-marathon race that has garnered recognition from the International Association of Athletics Federation, or the IAAF, alongside widespread participation in various sporting activities. The chairperson has extended an appeal to all relevant entities and attendees, both from inside the country and abroad, to amplify their involvement in this significant commemorative event, thereby honoring the legacy of the Fenkel operation. Dear viewers, we'll be back with your international reports and more after the short break. Welcome back. At least 112 people were killed by forest fires which raged across central Chile over the past 3 days, as officials extended curfews in the cities most heavily affected by the blazes. In Viña del Mar, in the Valparaiso region, the flames destroyed the city's famous botanical garden, founded in 1931, while at least 1,600 people lost their homes. Many residents found themselves trapped by the blazes as the fires devoured several neighborhoods on the eastern edge of the city. According to officials, about 200 people were reported missing in Viña del Mar and the area surrounding the city, which counts 300,000 residents. According to officials, the fires have already burned through 8,000 hectares of forests and urban areas. On today's final report, mudslides, flooding and strong winds are battering Southern California as storms drenched one of the most populous parts of the U.S. The atmospheric rivers causing the storms have already seen swaths of the state hit by rain, wind and snow. Forecasters have said torrential rain is the main risk facing California. The Weather Prediction Service, part of the National Weather Service, issued a Level 4 warning for rainfall in parts of the Southern California and claimed that potentially life-threatening and catastrophic flash flooding threatened Los Angeles Basin and surrounding area. It said mudslides and debris flows were also a risk. A state of emergency has been declared in 10 of the state's counties. You're still watching us on ERi-TV, dear viewers, and now a very quick recap of the major headlines. President Isaias visited production facilities and research centers in Italy. The 34th anniversary commendation of Fenkel operation. At least 112 dead in Chile as forest fires continue to ravage the country. And catastrophic flooding to hit California as bad weather continues. Dear viewers, that was it for today. Thanks for watching.